mentang ini apa ya kan nika bade berka MTED ajar pesan mo jong ka language 2 ka English. Udah berka paper 2 mo kene. Tekan nika dai language can be defined as tekan nika option number D, the system of communication. Ka nomor lai R ketika nika option number B kebaong expressive. Question nomor lai pulai yang nika kam derika descriptive ketika aesthetics. Yang ni question number lai pusau yang ketika question number ningkong mo kadai informational. Question number lai pusan yang kadai a resource. Question lai punru ketika interaction mo children learn a second language through interaction with other children or adults who are using their language. Dan nika question number lai punyo nika ketika number B. The official language acts 1963. Tesang nika number lai pupra nika ketika jawab number A on the knowledge of mother tongue is helpful and facilitates new language learning. Tesang number lai pukundai nika ketika jawab number A confident and reduce anxiety in learning the second language. Teknik nomor repat ketika improving their listening skills ketika option number D. Teknik ketika nomor 10 yang ni ketika image reading emergence reading. Tengah pisahkan nomor 10 R. Ang ne ong ba when reading is focused on the central idea and the content detail, this reading is called intensive readings. Kambere skimming. Skimming ini quick reading. Hang ne pat nomor 10 lai kedai scanning option number A. Hang ne sapusau kedai when of the following best describes a schema in reading comprehension. Semua ini kita jumpa kode number C. Kemudian the reader prior knowledge about a topic that helps them interpret new information. Dan ini sapusan kong writing with a sense of audience means. Ini jumpa kode number C. Keeping the intended readers in mind. Nomor 10 reu ini ketika jumpa kode nika on process based approach in writing. Hang kan nomor 10 hang ne ong next punya ko jawab ketika reading ketika option number D option number D. Reading and writing are independent of each other. Tekan nomor 10 hang ne kedai learner friendly. Hang ne ke asap kondai hang ne kamdai mo grammar test ketika proficiency test. Tesan pau ketika self assessment. Dan nomor san puai hani ketika option number nikong ketika nika option nikong. It is important to appreciate the different among student. Bahasa puar sapuar kong a progress whereby a teacher attempts to describe to quantify the knowledge, altitudes or skills of learner. Ni ketika assessment for learning. Te hang ni ke question number 10 pulai hang ni ketika ni mo to exhibit the student mo ketika option number D. Te san pusau hang ni ketika jawab ketika nika number A mo assessment will be focused on content rather than grammatical error. Kemudian mo kenika option number B ketika option number mentas kenika question number Anasan pesan dengan sama kali ini to action C to create a deeper connection with your inner self and foster a better understanding of your classroom. Tang ni ketika jawab pesan pun riu mo karena ketika question number san photo ka diri mo number new ka di len de procedures tehang ne ketika question number C ka di run set tehang ne ka jingmu jong kapina call san ne ka di submit ma kam diri hard de submit tehang ne ka question number san khundai hang ne ketika question he walk to the beside table and put out the light ne ketika coba kali put out the light tehang ne action bar phundre ko my uncle's dash the pina regularly ne kadi place kadi place mo kene kadi jongka mathematics te ngan sa page bahasa mo diki option ta